If you want to use voice access on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open Settings, scroll down on the left side until you find Accessibility. Now in here we can go to Interaction and Dexterity, and we can find the voice access option in here. In this case we need to actually install the app to be able to use voice access, so let's quickly do so. And when that is done, we can open the app, and of course we need to press OK in order to turn it on. So in here we need to choose Installed Apps, then we have the voice access, and we need to enable it, and then press Allow. There we go. Now we should be able to have this setup option, so we can press Agree over here and here. Well, if you want to receive notifications, in case there are some important changes, but also we can make it possible. Well, we can use notification in order to stop and start listening. So in my case, I actually prefer it that way. So we can also use the listening button in order to start listening, to let voice access start listening. We can also press done over here, and we have the tutorial, which is of course worth checking out. Over here we have some adjustments and so on and so forth, but let's actually close the tutorial. Over here, if you jump to settings, let's actually enable this. We can find the tutorial again. We can require verbs, we can time out after no speech, after 30 seconds of without saying anything. And in addition to that, we have a voice access commands, which is a pretty long list of all commands that are available for the voice access. So if you don't know how to do something with the voice access, here we can find a bunch of different options. So for example, with the basics and navigation, if I say, let's say, open app of the name, name of the app, and then we can open pretty much any app like this. So let me show you an example. Let's actually we need to grant the access to the microphone, so we can listen for commands whenever the screen is on, and we can say stop listening as well to of course disable the microphone access. All right. Open Gemini. Open Gemini. I'm not sure why it says oh, there we go, it actually worked just fine. And at the top you can also see the command that you are saying out loud, or whatever the voice control, voice access actually tries to catch. So you might need to wait a second for the app to give you feedback that they don't understand what you're trying to say, and then say the voice command out loud. Go home. Go home. There we go. So as you can see, it works pretty well. So now let's stop listening, which we have two options to do so. We can go to the notification, of course, in order to tap to pause, or you can say stop listening, as I mentioned. Stop listening. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.